Don't throw those egg cartons away, because today we're turning them into something you'd never expect. Cut out the top part of the carton and set it aside. Now, we're going to remove one section of the egg cups so that we're left with just 5 holes. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just follow the shape of the cups. Grab a pair of small scissors and start cutting along the edges in a zigzag pattern. Repeat the same process on the other side of the carton. Now, we're going to transform this cutout into a star shape. Just fold the edges slightly inward until it looks like a festive star. Next, grab some hot glue and carefully glue the edges of the star so everything stays in place. Now, we're going to paint our star with golden paint. Using a small paintbrush, cover the entire surface of the egg carton star with the gold paint. Place it outside in the sun to dry for about 15 minutes. We're going to add some small decorative balls. Using hot glue, attach a small ball into each of the holes we made earlier. Now, for the center, I'm placing a smaller ball right in the middle. For the finishing touch, we're going to take a pipe cleaner and twist it into a bow. Then, glue the bow onto the top of the star, where we'll later attach a small ring for hanging. We've just made a stunning handmade Christmas ornament from something as simple as an egg carton. If you love creating DIY holiday decorations like this, make sure to check out my other video on turning old plastic bottles into something amazing.